Right, now let's go to check the answer of 9.2 exercise second question. Right, volume and capacity. The first part, the diagram given, the question given about the swimming pool, length 50 meters, breadth 25 meters and height 3 meters. The first part asks what is the capacity of the swimming pool. Right, how you can find the capacity? Capacity means the maximum volume of can be filled of this swimming pool. The capacity you can find length into breadth into height. Now the measurements given of this tank, length is 50 meters, so 50 meters multiply, the breadth is 25 meters, and height is 3 meters. So you have to multiply these three values. 50 multiply 25. 50 multiply 25 is 1250. Then again you have to multiply by 3. So the answer is 3750 cubic meters. 3750 cubic meters. It is the first part answer. Then let's go to the second part of this question. The second part given, this tank filled with water up to 1.2 meters. Right, the height of the tank is up to 1.2 meters, like this. Then you have to find what is the water volume, right? Volume of the water containing the swimming pool. Right? How you can find volume of the water? The water column shape is cuboid shape, right? So its length, breadth and height given 50 meters, 25 meters and height is 1.2 meters. So you have to multiply these values, 50 meters, 25 meters and 1.2 meters, right? You have to multiply. 50 multiply 25. What is the answer? 1250. Again we have to multiply by 1.2. First I will multiply by 12. 1250. After that I will keep one decimal place, right? Okay. 12 times 5 0, 12 times 5 60, remaining 6, 12 times 2 24, 24 plus 6 30, remaining 3, 12 times 1 12, 12 plus 3 15. Then also you have to keep one decimal place. So what is the answer? Volume of the water is 1500 cubic meters. Right, then we can go to the third part of this question. The third part given what? The third part given how much more water is required to fill the swimming pool completely. That means we want to fill this swimming pool completely with water. So another volume, which volume we have to put inside this swimming pool, right? So you can find the required volume, total volume of the tank, that means the capacity of the tank 3750 cubic meters. Also this swimming pool filled with water 1500 cubic meters. So you have to subtract these two values, then you can find another which volume we have to use to completely fill this swimming pool with water, right? You have to subtract these two, then you can get the answer in cubic centimeters. 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 5 2, 3 minus 1 2. Another 2250 cubic meters are needed for completely fill this swimming pool with water. Okay, it is the answer for 9.2 exercise second question related to the capacity liquid measurements. But I think you can understand well, no?